Sunrise fade in the sky with a golden fire. Love lift me higher, lift me higher. Oh yes, we rise, we rise in love. Lord, heartbeat drumming like a rhythm on the shoreline. Every little touch sings sweet like a gold mine. You bring a healing breeze when the world gets rough. Pure soul energy, yeah, your light strong enough.
Open all your eyes like a star we never tire. You turn every moment to a holy choir. You and I flowing like a river to sea. Love's a revolution in harmony.
Blessings falling, falling upon we head. Love keep calling, pulling like a thread. Hold me steady, ready for the climb. With you beside me, the world feels sublime. Loving a delight.
Oh, we shine so bright.
When your arms around me, everything feels right. No shadows can hide.
When our spirits unite,
We blaze through the darkness. Loving a delight. You are the spark where ignite transformation. Turn pain to purpose, fire to creation. Harmony beat sweet like drum in a Zion. Soul bond strong, roots deep like a lion. Every step with you is a step toward free. We build tomorrow with unity. Hear the heartbeat sink like a reggae bass line. Time slow down in the moment so fine.
love is the language every heart can speak.
Rise up with strength when the days feel weak. Together light up the world.